right, so now let's look at kind of lower respiratory anatomy. So we just looked at upper, now let's look at lower. So if I draw a little trachea here. So here's my trachea, here's the little hyaline cartilage rings are around it. And that trachea, as it comes down, it will, as it gets to about the middle of your chest, it will bifurcate. So it splits. Okay? It bifurcates at an area called the carina. Okay, so this is, I love that word, bifurcates. All right, so it bifurcates into two main bronchi. Okay, so a right main bronchi and a left. Main bronchi. And again, they're still surrounded by hyaline cartilage rings. All right. On the right side, remember the right side has 3 lobes. So the main bronchi is going to branch into it's going to branch into 3 secondary bronchi. Okay, because there's 3 lobes on the right side. On the left side, it would be 2 secondary bronchi. So again, these are surrounded by hyaline cartilage. These are called secondary bronchi. The secondary branch again into many tertiary bronchi. So again, these are covered in hyaline cartilage. Okay, so these are tertiary. Okay, and then the tertiary bronchi branch into bronchioles. All right, and the bronchioles I'm doing in red. Why would I be doing that? Well, the bronchioles are not covered with hyaline cartilage. They are covered or surrounded by smooth muscle, because this is where we get bronchoconstriction and bronchodilation is through the bronchioles. So they are covered with smooth muscle. And of course, the bronchi are covered with hyaline cartilage, just like the trachea. So the bronchioles, and they start out as terminal bronchioles. They go to respiratory bronchioles, and then those respiratory bronchioles go into the alveolar ducts. So at the end of each bronchiole area, just do like that, then we're going to get alveolar sacs. And those are just bundles of alveoli. Okay, so this is where gas exchange occurs. Okay, so all that nice warm air comes in, goes down, all the way down when it's all nice and clean, and ends up here, and that's where we have gas exchange. And these alveolar sacs remember, are made of a bunch of little alveoli. They look like little bunches of grapes or something. So they look kind of like that. Okay, so let's look at an alveoli up close. So that'll be our next video.